Hello, gorgeous hearts. Hello, beloved, love light beings. Well, today I wish to talk to you about signs and synchronicities, and especially those in nature. That when we are especially in nature, most especially that we are abundantly surrounded with, given, gifted, shown in every moment, always pointing us, answering our questions and pointing us in the divine direction for us, for our highest and greatest good. Now, nature is pretty much incorruptible. So if you want truth, if you want answers to your questions, this is the place to ask them. So, how might they show up? Well, they could show up in a myriad of ways. In an animal crossing your path, in feathers, spirit feathers, in the twinkling of a sparkle of something between the trees, a sound, something that catches your eye. It doesn't usually catch your eye. Fragrance, even, all sorts of ways, every sense, goosebumps, truth bumps, I call them, truth bumps, feeling truth bumps when you've asked a question and looked around and there before you is your answer in whatever way that it manifests, and receiving truth bumps when you receive that. So every way with your senses are the gateway, and spirit is the perfect messenger, the perfect divine messenger. So ask your questions while you're out walking or in nature amongst the trees. Hear the bird answering that. Ask your questions. And receive your answers, acknowledge them, look for them, be open to them, because I know for a fact we are receiving our messages in every moment. That is just a fact. However, we miss many because we're just not seeing them or open in that moment, or maybe we have an expectation that the message won't be answered straight away. Oftentimes, especially in nature, your answer will come immediately, almost immediately. So allow yourself to absorb that and acknowledge them. Be grateful for them, thank them, ask more questions. The more you ask, the more you receive. The more you ask, the more you will receive. And as I said, this being in nature is absolutely the purest, most organic form of receiving the answers, other than through your highest self, your inner self, your highest light. And I'll talk more about those things later. However, the answers are everywhere. In the whispers of the wind, the breeze, in the sunshine sparkling, an array of sunshine. How beautiful. We're just surrounded with everything that we need to create our beautiful lives. Creation itself is speaking to us because we are the creators and we are creation. So look for the messages, look for Spirit's messages, ask your questions, and open your heart eyes, and receive them with all the love in the world that you are. It's all just waiting for you to ask, to open, and to receive all of it. Be open to receiving everything. And that, beloveds, is my message for this moment. For today, the sun is trying to steal the show. And I'm sending you all love, so much love, from my heart to yours. My name is Jeanna Marie Orr, and I love you all, and I send you blessings, and I will see you again soon.